Hello, welcome. Episode number 29 on the same series of trigonometric word topic tutorial. Here we are still on compound angle, the sum and the difference of two angle measure. So given the sine A plus B as the sum of the two angles given to us as expanded this form, we are asked to find the value of 105 of the sine. Remember, this means that we should express this in the form A plus B, taking into account the special angles, which is the 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Take consideration of those angles. So now I can say that my sine 105 degree can be sine, what do we have? 60 plus 45. If I add 60 plus 45, I will get 105. So now this is my A, this is my B. So right here, I only write the sine of A, which is 60, the cos of B, which is 45, plus the cos of A, which is 60, then the sine of what? B, which is what? 45, all in what? Degree. So what we need to do is to replace those values by their respective function. We know 0, 30, 45, 60. So sine 60 is going to be root 3 on 2. So here I'll have the root of 3 on 2 multiplying 45. So this is going to be 0, 30, 45. So root 2 on 2. Root 2 on 2 plus this is cos what? 60. So we are speaking 60 cos. That's 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 multiplying the sine 45 is the same as the cos 45. So root 2 over 2 in there. I guess in this multiplication, the root will multiply. So 2 and 3 will multiply under the root to give you root 6 divided by 4. Then this is also going to be 1 times root 2. That will be the root of 2 divided by 4. Since I have the same denominator, I can add the numerators as the root of 6 plus the root of 2, all divided by what? 4. Okay, but if you look at this, right here it was root 3 times root 2. Meaning within the root 6, there is a root 3 and root 2. So we can factorize that out. So if we factorize this, the root of 2 out, I'll be left with the root of 3 plus 1 divided by 4. If I pick it out, it will be root 2 divided by 4 multiplying root 3 plus what? 1 as the final stage. So this will be the final factorization. If you factorize it out, you will get this. I'm sure you understood the concept. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.